make in your kitchen at home in some lovely spare time. Alright, now let's put this one aside. I did quite a few recipes on salad, but this one is going to be a totally different from every other else salad. I got some mixed leaf right here. I'm gonna put it on it just like this. Look at this. Alright. This is exactly what Chef Ricardo has been talking about. So healthy salad, healthy eating, and weight loss can go wrong. Look at that. Beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing salad recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to come up with this beautiful salad at home. Alright? Now, I have some rocket. This is a little bit of a rocket. I'm going to put it right on top of it. Nice one. Yeah, so I got some celery. I'm just cutting up a little bit of celery. There it is. This is some celery. Alright. And you can do the same thing at home. Alright. Just combine everything together. Nice one. Got some cucumber also, I'm gonna use it. Nice one. Some cucumber. That is lovely and nice. Beautiful, look at that. Nice one. Alright. So that's exactly what you want to do when you at home. Alright guys. Now, as you can see for yourself, that the salad is very healthy salad recipe from Chef Ricardo, and honestly I'm telling you, you guys gonna love this one. It's going to be fantastic and an amazing salad from Chef Ricardo today. Now, as I say, you guys, you can do the same thing at home. It doesn't complicate it. It is a very simple salad, and honestly 100% I know you guys definitely can do this at home. Alright, if you like the recipe, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And this is the way how we normally do it in the kitchen when we are making certain kind of healthy salad recipe. Now, as you can see, I start the process really good and nice and everyone happy. So we're gonna just simple continue with this beautiful salad from Chef Ricardo today. An amazing recipe, guys. And honestly, yeah, it's gonna love it. So that's exactly what you want to do. You want to make sure everything look really lovely and nice. All right. Now, I got some. This is some yellow pepper. All right, it's just nice to put some color on it. All right. Just gonna put a little bit of a pepper. Lovely. Also, I have some green pepper. I know there's a lot of green in it. That's alright. It's good to have some greens. Nice one. This is some green pepper. Beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Gonna put a spring onion. This is some beautiful spring onion. Look at that. Nice. Got some red apple. little bit of a red apple all over it, just like this. Alright guys, that looking good. Nice one. This is some red pepper. If you like red pepper, you know what I mean, you can just put a little bit on top of it like this. Simple like a salad. Little bit of this is some sweet jam lettuce. You know what I mean? Yeah, lovely. Got some tomato. Look at that, beautiful and nice. This is exactly what you want to do at home. Alright, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because I tell you, this a recipe here is not a normal recipe. Alright, we're just using up some stuff we have here. Now this is chocho. This is from Jamaica. Chocho from Jamaica. It's from all over the world. Asian people, African people, every one of us, we normally use chocho. Some people cook it up and use it on fish, but we use it in salad also. Alright. Chocho. Yeah man. Look at that. Amazing salad. You guys can do this at home without any doubt. Alright, we got some red onion. I'm gonna put a few. Let's break up the red onion and just simple break it around it once you slice it up. Alright, yeah, that looking amazing. Look at that. Beautiful salad. Now, we got some beetroot. Honestly, you can put a little bit of beetroot, but I don't have any beetroot at the moment. So, you guys can just use what you have at home. And honestly, the salad will come out lovely and nice, same way. Now, what we're going to do, a simple garnish it around with a little bit of extra bits and pieces we have at home. Alright, just gonna garnish it like this. Look at this. Honestly, you know what I mean? Make the plate look nice. You can just simply do it like this. Alright, and the plate will look really, really nice. And it's coming up to Thanksgiving Day, guys. So basically, any one of you guys at home can make a lovely little salad like this. Sometimes we just need to go to the extra mile and put something nice on the plate. So that's what Chef Ricardo normally do. You know what I mean? And we are here to share our nice. And this is for free, guys. So you don't even need to pay. You know what I mean? Once you have your smartphone, subscribe to Chef Ricardo YouTube channel and get the recipe how to make a healthy salad at home. Alright? Remember, meat free Monday. Every Monday we do meat free. Alright? So, yeah. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful, healthy salad from Chef Ricardo today. Alright. Wow, this is amazing. Now, finished off with a little bit of chili on top of it. Like this. Alright. This is a little bit of dry chili. Also, black pepper. Nice one. say that looking amazing. Look at that, lovely, nice and simple to make. Also we got some healthy chisel seed, which is just very amazing to use on top of it. Also you can make up a nice little dressing, but it's your option for you if you want to add some dressing to it. You know what I mean? You can have it just like that with your meal, and honestly it's come out just lovely, fantastic and amazing. You guys definitely can do that at home. It's a simple recipe, and you know what I mean, hopefully you guys will love it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and also yeah, we have a lot more recipe coming again and again from Chef Ricardo. One love guys, we never know, and that's how we normally do it in the kitchen. Every day we'll give you a lovely recipe, alright? So yeah, why not? Share the video and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and they'll say that this is just a healthy salad recipe from Chef Ricardo today again. So 100% I will see you in the kitchen with more recipe and more ideas, alright? So nice and lovely guys. I eat this and I look at this, fantastic, lovely and nice. Alright, so I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have a lot more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye. Yeah, amazing salad, look at that, fantastic, lovely and nice healthy recipe. Alright, nice one guys. Alright, what I'm gonna do is cut up my cucumber like this. So we're gonna slice up some lovely cucumber, really thin. You want to cut them up really thin, don't cut them up too chunky. Alright, so slice up some cucumber just like this. And so we're gonna make at least 95% of this thing be a vegetable. You know what I mean? And all of these you can get them at the local shop and supermarket for buy. You don't need to fly to Jamaica to get them vegetables. Alright? Jamaican cucumber. You don't need to fly to Jamaica to get it. Alright? Now, nice one. So that's the cucumber. Lovely. We're gonna put a piece of a red pepper inside of it. And I'm just gonna simply cut it up really fine. You wanna cut it up fine, don't cut it up too thick. Alright? That's where, you know what I mean, you wanna make it as it can go straight inside of your mouth. Alright? Don't be shy at home. Celery. Cut up a few celery. Nice one. Red onion. Get your favorite. Nice one. Yeah, I hit that enough. Things looking good. There are so many things I can put in it. We got some cherry tomato, or plum tomato. We're gonna put them inside of it. Also, all right. Don't wanna burn up the bread. Let's turn it around here to the other side. So all you have to do is put it into your toaster. But I'm gonna explain it to you as it goes on. Sell off avocado. We're gonna get a slice of avocado and put it also inside of it. This is gonna be the butter for that beautiful. Do not use a knife and do this at home, alright guys? Because of health and safety, I don't want you to cut yourself. Please do not do this at home. Only Chef Ricardo allowed to do this, because I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing. Alright, if you are not a chef, you cannot do this at home, because I don't want you to cut yourself, because you're gonna say, boy, you see Chef Ricardo do it on my YouTube channel, you know? Yeah, that's exactly what you're going to say. Alright, now, to be honest, this is a pita bread right here. You know what I mean? I didn't want you to get a little bit of touch of bread, but it's fine. Just have to open up, you know. Now, all you're going to do is simply use your knife and just simple cut around a little bit like this. Alright? And try and open it up like a shark. Alright, that's what you want it to look like. You want it to look like a shark. Alright, now what you want to do is get the avocado inside of it. Alright, you want to get that beautiful avocado inside of it. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is this. Put the avocado down in it and press on the avocado. So the avocado gonna be the butter by using a knife. Alright, nice one. Secondly, I'm going to put some mixed leaf inside of it also. Nice one. Yeah, man. And we're going to get some egg. I'm using boiled egg, you know what I mean? A lot of people doesn't know, man, that boiled egg is good for you. Alright, so what you can do, put a little bit of black pepper. So much time we've been using a lot of salt. Sometimes it's good to not to use salt, you know what I mean? I'll put the egg down inside of it like this. Sometimes it's good for us to keep it natural and organic style like this. We're gonna put some red onion, cucumber, red pepper, and all these things inside of it. Nice one. Yeah, man. Some cherry tomato. Alright. Yeah, that looking amazing, guys. Honestly, that looks fantastic and amazing. Now, as you can see for yourself, that it is very healthy one I'm making right here. Now, a lot of people like to eat it cold. Alright, so basically, so you want to eat this one cold, just try and just cut around it like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, just try your best not to, you know what I mean? Simple. Remove the bread like this. But when you warm it, it's much better. Alright? And what you can do, you just put in some stuff inside of it, cover it. But when you warm it, it's much better. Watch out, I cut it and I warm and I'm gonna warm it and you're gonna see the difference on it, guys. So honestly, if you're a person who love this kind of stuff, this come in really handy for you. You know what I mean? Simple, put down your bread like this. Yeah. Yeah, man. Because the bread toasts a little bit too crispy. That's why it's like that, alright? You're not supposed to make the bread toast so crisp. So crispy, you know what I mean? Yeah. That looking good. But as I said, this is it right here. And you can do the same thing at home. Alright, guys? Honestly, it's just because of the way the bread come up, you know what I mean? But otherwise, I will come in with another video of it still, where you guys are gonna see how I do it from scratch. Alright, so tune in and I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Thank you for watching. Now, is a recipe which I want to share, you know what I mean? Yeah, big up on yourself. Yeah, I am great. And you, is the video alright? Tell me if the video is alright. Nicole, big up yourself. Yeah, in the kitchen this morning. Just want to give you something fantastic and a simple weight loss recipe. The reason why I want to do this video, but I'm still gonna be doing my meat-free Monday because today is meat-free Monday. Alright, the video is okay. Good morning. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, the reason why I want to give you this beautiful video this morning, because you know what I mean, as I said, a lot of people doesn't know that some simple little ingredients. Big up yourself. Bless up, my brother. Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. You know what I mean? A simple recipe can do. Lisa D, good morning, Chef Ricardo. Alright, yeah. Alright, Chef Ricardo. Alright, a simple recipe can care. Big up yourself too. Good morning. A simple recipe can make at home, and simple ingredients can make at home. Alright, we're talking about things like, we wanna talk about like lemon and ginger and green tea. Alright, like if you wake up this morning, please go into your kitchen, do not drink any coffee, do not drink egg. I want to tell you something though. Green tea is very good for you, you know what I mean, because green tea have a lot of health benefit also if you do the research. So but I want to say, if you wake up this morning, do not drink any coffee or do not drink any tea. Go in the kitchen and make yourself a nice lovely cup of lemon or lime tea or ginger tea. Alright, but this morning we want to talk about pumpkin seed. Alright, pumpkin seed, a lot of people doesn't know that there's a lot of health benefits in pumpkin seed. And this time of year, a lot of people been throwing away pumpkin. Which you want to say to you, okay, listen, you don't need to throw away your pumpkin this year, because your pumpkin and your pumpkin seed, because you can do a lot of stuff with pumpkin. Alright, now I want to say, as I said, if you're just waking up, Lisa D, I love ginger tea too. Yeah, if you wake up this morning and you're in the kitchen, go and make yourself a lovely cup of either lemon or lime tea. Alright, because the reason why I'm saying to you, it is very good for you to start the morning like this on a nice lovely cup of hot ginger or lemon tea or lime tea. Alright guys, also I never talk about this one, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also very good. Look at the bottom of it. So the bottom of it look dirty. Really just give it a little shake like this. Alright. Secondly, you can also use garlic. Garlic is very good for you also, to have a cup of garlic tea in the morning. I know a lot of people doesn't like garlic because of the, you know what I mean, the scent of the garlic is so strong. So a lot of people does not like garlic. But anyway, as I said, I'm talking about the lemon tea. Alright, get yourself some lemon tea, or what you can also do is drink a nice lovely cup of green tea. Green tea is also good early in the morning for your drinking a hot drink. Alright, now as I said, we know that there's different time and all these things, and a lot of people may just wake up, a lot of people may not wake up yet, and a lot of people may just gonna get themselves together and make themselves a nice lovely cup of tea. Now as I said, earlier I did make 1 cup of this beautiful, here it is. So look, alright, earlier I made 1 cup of that, an amazing drink. You know what I mean, as I said, pumpkin seed and also lemon inside of it. Alright, a lot of benefit in this one, guys. Honestly, you need to try this one at home. Very good for detoxing the body and also losing weight and cleansing of the body. Alright, simple recipe and simple ingredients you can use at home, and detoxing your body and cleansing your body and looking after yourself at home, because a lot of people can go to doctor and a lot of people can get to do certain things, even to go to the dentist and all these things. So you have to use your, you know what I mean, little magic at home and definitely do some things at home to make yourself get better, and you know what I mean, and also eating healthy, you know, cutting off fatty food, greasy food, and use light spray oil, which is also very good. I'll show you the light spray oil, which is very good for you guys to use. Alright, yeah, so I'll just give you other tips of what's going on. Now, a lot of people use this one, extra virgin olive oil. Can use a little pinch of it, not too much, Alright, but the best oil to use is this one. Alright, Frylight oil. This one is a hot and spicy chili oil. But I must say to you, I'm having all different types. I got them coconut oil, I'm having them and sunflower oil and all these things. Alright, now as I said, next thing again you can also do is you can use this one at home in your kitchen. Alright, 100% organic coconut oil. This one is even also very good for your skin. Alright, so basically if you wake up early in the morning, this is what you can do. Alright, the only reason why I'm gonna be sharing a recipe like this for you this morning, because of, you know what I mean, what's going on at the moment. We all know that so many things been happening all over the world. Yeah, every country, you know what I mean. Can you imagine how much country in this world? So basically, can you imagine a lot of people can't get to go to the doctor, can't go to do certain things, you know what I mean. You know what I mean? So we just have to do certain things at home. Alright, so if you're at home, it's just all good to use this on your belly, you know what I mean, certain part by you know, by your body. You just use the coconut organic oil and rub it. Now we all have smartphone, and we all have you know what I mean, smartphone. Yeah, we all have smartphone. So basically you can do some research at home with your smartphone and search what's the benefit for coconut oil, and also what's the benefit for lemon or lime, and also ginger and apple cider vinegar also. Alright, you guys can do the research on that one. You have a smartphone, guys. Even the green tea, you guys can do the research for that one also. It's very, very, very good, green tea. Now let's dig into some recipe. Big up on yourself. Shout out to every one of you guys who, you know what I mean, log on and watching the video. Alright, now it's 4:55 in the USA. Alright, Midwest or somewhere there. Alright, now let's log on and do some video. Alright, I just boil my kettle and I'm gonna be giving you a lovely recipe which you can also do at home, you know what I mean, early in the morning. If you wake up this morning, please go to your kitchen and do this one. If you don't have pumpkin seed, do not worry yourself. You don't have to stress yourself about the pumpkin seed. Alright, this is what you can also do. Yeah, you can also get, here it is. Make sure to show you guys today, green tea. Very, very good for weight loss, and it's very good for your skin and cleansing of the body and detoxing of the body. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to get 1 tea bag of the green tea bag and put it straight inside of your cup, just like this. Alright, not only that, if you have some good organic honey, you can also use this one. This is very good also. Alright, let's pull it and make you guys can see. Look at that. Alright, no sugar added to this one, no artificial thing. Alright, now get yourself a green tea bag, put it straight inside of it, just like that. I did quite a few videos like these one before, back in the days. And what you're gonna do is put some hot water into it, just like this. Alright, now what you can also do is get yourself a lovely, alright, let's squeeze at least roughly about a teaspoon of lemon juice inside of it. Alright, that's what I want to do. Alright, once you do that, if you want, you can, I'll tell you something, try this at home, guys. This is my secret recipe. Alright, and give it a mix. Now what you can also do is simply put a nice lovely slice of lemon inside of it, just like this. Alright, and what you're gonna do now, just leave that for a few minutes and make it dissolve into the water. Alright, and you can also drink that the first thing in the morning before you have your breakfast or before anything. You just drink that one. All right. Now, as you can see for yourself, this is just a very, very, very healthy. Okay, in England. Yeah, big up yourself. Everyone on a shout out to every one of you guys. You know what I mean? Who watching the video. All right. Now, this one you can drink it the first thing. This, we all know that on a Monday, a lot of people leftover food which they like to use the next day. Yeah, we all agree, you know what I mean, leftover food the next day, but you don't have to eat it, you know what I mean. You can, you know, do a healthy vegetable. This is what I want. That's why I do meat-free Monday. A lot of people doesn't know that you should have a meat-free Monday in your house. All right, super nice one. You should have a meat-free Monday in your house. I don't know why a lot of people doesn't want to do that one, but this is one which I want to share with you. From Monday to Sunday, one day in the week, you should just eat vegetable. All right, and I said this in my video all the time that 95% of your food, or 50%, because a lot of people doesn't understand the 50 or the 95, should be vegetable on your plate. The rest should be just a little bit of rice and a little bit of food. Do a 5 minutes workout, 5 minutes exercise. You don't have to go, because a lot of people can go to the gym now. You can be in your house, you can lift up a 2 heavy bottle of water and do a 5 minutes exercise at your home. All right, this is some good ideas for you guys. So I'm telling you, just look after yourself, and you know what I mean, make sure you know what I mean, make sure your health is just right, 100% up to date with you. All right, so as I said, the green tea and the lemon and the apple cider vinegar works really, really, really well, and 100% I know you guys definitely will love this one. And this one, you drink it first thing in the morning if you like. You know what I mean, you can put some honey, but try and avoid the honey with sugar, because enough of this honey, they got a lot of sugar inside of it. All right, and secondly, what you need to do is to cut down on sugar. Do not use too much sugar at home, guys. All right, yeah, you can try and get this one, which is sweetener. All you need to do is put one inside of it and mix it instead of use the sugar. All right, because the sugar doesn't, too much sugar doesn't good for us, guys. So we have to cut down on the sugar and try and even use sweetener or some organic honey sometime. Sometimes you can give yourself a treat, but not every time. All right, so yeah, the best thing is to, you know what I mean, cut down on everything. Sea salt, let's go on salt. A lot of people keep asking me about salt. Sea salt is the best salt to use, or pink salt. You know what I mean, try and get those salt. They may be a little bit more expensive, but they are very, 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 very good for you guys to drink and use at home. All right, now, so we touch on this beautiful, this is a beautiful green tea with the, I'm gonna be tasting it to see. Nice one. That is amazing. The taste, the flavor, and the texture is just amazing. All right, now as I say, now you can also do this one, yeah, detoxing, you know what I mean. You can drink one of this early in the morning. This one, you can drink one of this early in the morning. If you can get this one, you get it and just drink one of them early in the morning. You know what I mean? I know a lot of people love their coffee and they love their, you know what I mean, all different kind of coffee and all these things, but sometimes you have to just wake up in the morning and tell yourself, so you know what, I'm gonna detox my body even one morning with some lemon or a detox tea. All right, guys, because the detox tea also very, very good, you know. And also this one, peppermint, very, 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 very good for you. You should, you know what I mean, have one of these in the morning. Very, very good for you too. You know, you can squeeze a little bit of lemon juice inside of it. Peppermint, you know what I mean. When you wake up this morning, anyone watching this video right now, do not go in the kitchen and make no coffee. You're going to make yourself a lemon tea, no honey, no sugar, and make yourself a nice lovely cup of Detox tea if you don't have this one. If you don't have this one, don't worry yourself. Alright, but if you have green tea, this is also good for you. Alright, green tea, drink this one this morning. Alright guys, this is a very good one also. Do not add any sugar in it, just drink it natural. Alright, if not, you can also get some ginger. This is just some fresh organic ginger right here. Look at this, guys. You know what I mean? This is just amazing. Look at that beautiful ginger. And not only that, many people been using ginger over the last 200,000 years. All right, ginger been using. You see that? How that looks fresh and nice. So what you can also do with a nice lovely piece of a ginger is a simple wash it off, or if you want, you can remove the skin and simple cut up a little piece into your water, hot water like this, and leave it for a few minutes. All right, this video is just to say, guys, look after yourself at home. It doesn't take nothing for you to come downstairs and cut a lemon or a lime in half and squeeze it inside of your cup and drink it. It is just healthy or very good for you. Also, this one is very good also. This one is the lime, and lime is also very good. Squeeze a half of a lime juice inside of your cup like this, yeah, and the rest, what you do with this, you put this into your sink and leave it in the sink overnight. You don't put these in the bin. All right guys, put, anytime you use lemon or lime, put the rest of the lemon or lime in the sink when you wash your plate, and leave it overnight into your sink. All right, also very good. Now, earlier I make the pumpkin seed. This is the pumpkin seed right here. All right, that's the pumpkin seed. Very good one. Look at that, amazing. So when you do, when you make a pumpkin seed drink in the morning, all right, you need to squeeze a little bit of a lemon juice or lime juice inside of it, just like this. All right, and have a slice of a lemon inside of it. Also, you can put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it like this. All right, and also drink it. Once you drink it, you're going to be using some coconut oil on your skin. You know what I mean? When you go to the shower, you come back, use a little bit of coconut oil on your skin for that day. You know what I mean? Preserving your body. You know what I mean? Make your body healthy and fit and nice. When you walk out the road, everyone look different. You know what I mean? Everyone will say, yeah, you know exactly what you're using at home. Now, so as I can see exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys. All right, so we have the pumpkin seed. All you have to do, we all know that this time of year a lot of people been using pumpkin, and then what they do the pumpkin seed, even, you know what I mean, you can go to the shop and you can buy some pumpkin and come home with it and make some pumpkin seed tea at home. All right, here it is, pumpkin seed tea. Let's taste it and see how that one tastes. Yeah, you can taste the pumpkin inside of it, really nice. You can taste the lemon and also the apple cider vinegar. So it's just one of these things, guys. And not only that, you don't have to throw away the pumpkin. You can eat the seed. The seed is very good for you. All right, I want you to sit down with your smartphone today, and I want you to do a little bit of research on pumpkin seed. What's the benefit for pumpkin seed? All right, you can eat the pumpkin seed. You don't have to put it into the bin. You can cook it. So if you're making a little bit of juice, it's also very good for you. Now, I have a next recipe I want to share with you, what you guys can do at home. All right, so this one going to be a very simple one. All right, guys, so don't worry yourself. This one is going to be a simple recipe. Let's put these on one side, because there's a lot of things going on right here. This one, if you notice, I use it all the time. It's just a seed. This one is very, very good. Superfood. Alright, this one very good if you're at home, because a lot of people like to make smoothie in the morning. Alright, try and go to the shop or the supermarket and look for this. Look for this product. Every time you make your smoothie, or that in the morning. Alright, so what you can do also, alright, is get one about 2 teaspoons of the chisel seed. All right, same thing, you can squeeze some lemon juice in it or lime juice. All right, and then what you want to do once you do that, you want to leave it. All right, and also, to be honest, you can also use milk inside of it also. So all right, now this one you can use it with the smoothie what you're gonna make, and also you can make a breakfast recipe from it. All right, now let's dig into the breakfast recipe one. All right, so if I put everything one side, I'm going to show you, yeah. Someone said I love the chisel seed. You see this, I'm touching every point, because if you're a person who know anything about weight loss, you will know about this one. This one is superfood, super good. You know what I mean? It's just healthy, it's good in your smoothie, it's good in a lot of things. Now I'm going to show you a recipe where you can make for breakfast. If you wake up in the morning and you're on a healthy weight loss recipe, this is one which you can also do at home. All right, guys. Now, what you're gonna do is, all right, get 1 cup like this and put some milk inside of it. Try and use some semi-skim milk. Semi-skim milk is much better. Or if you can get some, so you can get some like almond milk, even better. Rice milk, much better. All of these milk is much better. All right, but try and use some semi-skim milk. It is 100% better. Now I'm gonna just pop this into the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes. But what you can also do is put it on your stove and do it on your stove. All right. Now, don't worry yourself, guys. This one going to be a superfood one to do. All right. Now, as you can see, that one is getting hot. So what I'm gonna do now is show you exactly what you need to do at home. All right, superfood. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Here it is. This is what I'm looking for. All right, you see this one? A lot of Asian people, a lot of people all over the world, 200,000 years they've been using this one. All right, so we're gonna show you a recipe which you can also do in the morning. All right. And this is also a very, very healthy recipe. All right, now get my glass. All right. Okay. So the milk is hot. Alright, I'm just showing you what you can do at home. So this is the milk right here. And what I'm going to do is pour the milk into this glass right here. So basically, if you're at home, try and get some semi-skim milk or some almond milk. Much better to use to make the breakfast in the morning. Alright, so once you get that one, what you're going to do next is get the turmeric and also roughly 1 teaspoon. Alright, 1 teaspoon, give it a mix. Make sure you mix it really well. Alright, once you mix it, then also you can put roughly about half teaspoon of honey inside of it. Use some organic honey, guys, it's better. Alright, this one is very good in the morning for breakfast, and also not only that, it's very good for weight loss. Now I have a big pack of the chisel seed right here, which I'm going to be using. Superfood. Get this, guys, at home. Alright, what we're going to do is get 1 tablespoon, put another tablespoon inside of it, and give it a mix. Nice one. Alright, so once you do that, what you want to do is wrap it. I'm telling you, guys, this recipe I'm giving you is for if you say you want to lose weight. Alright, if you want to lose weight, these things do work at home, honestly. You know what I mean? A lot of people might just say, okay, I'm alright. No, you have to look after yourself. Just like how you look after your car, just like how you look after your phone, just like how you look after things in your house. So what about yourself? You have to look after yourself. So what you do, you cover it like this. Alright, and what you do, you're gonna leave this for a couple of minutes and make it turn into a, leave it for a couple of minutes and leave it for it to turn into a, like a pudding. Alright, so this is what you can also make for breakfast in the morning. Alright, so we're just gonna be leaving that for a few more minutes. Now, next, as I said, right over here, we have green tea, apple cider vinegar, and also lemon. This is what you want to drink first thing in the morning. Alright, my life, I big up yourself. Alright, this is what you want to do first thing early in the morning before you eat your breakfast, before you do anything and all these things. Alright, you want to do this. Drink yourself a hot cup of lemon tea with some ginger or lemon or some apple cider vinegar inside of it. This is what you want to do first thing. So I've been drinking this one. Nice. Alright, big, my life, yeah, for real, mama. Alright, man. So this is what you want to drink first thing in the morning before you eat your breakfast, before you do anything, before you make anything, before you do anything. You know what I mean? You drink this. If you don't have some green tea like what I said before, don't stress yourself. Alright, you're welcome. Q love, you're welcome. Alright, if you don't have the green tea, don't stress yourself. You see the lemon right here, the lemon and the lime, we always see these are like local. You know what I mean? You can go to your local shop around the corner from where you live or your supermarket. But this is what I always encourage my fans and not to do. not to try to use these one. You know what I mean? Do not try. Try avoid not to use the lemon juice in the bottle. You know, try and get the fresh one like these one. You know what I mean? When you slice it, a nice piece of lemon like this, you can see it. It's just an amazing. And this is exactly what you want to see when you slice the lemon. And as I said before, your ginger. Look at the ginger. Yeah, this is the ginger, fresh and nice. You can also grate your ginger, put a teaspoon into some hot water and drink it. Every Monday we're going to be doing a live for about half an hour, 30 minutes with a live on a healthy recipe like what I'm doing right here, because I'm trying to get everyone right now, or as much people I can, to be eating healthy and, you know what I mean, look after themselves at home, just like when they look after them cell phone. If someone go and buy an iPhone 12 right now, the first thing you want to do is put it into a case and put on the screen protector and all them things to protect your phone. And someone want you to look after yourself at home. Eat a lot of salad and eat a lot of vegetable, and, you know what I mean, cut down on rice, cut down on bread and the fizzy juice and all these things, and just spend some money and buy some of these things. No matter how old you are, young, whatever age you are, you have to look after yourself. You know what I mean? Yeah. So as I said, this is the pudding right over here for breakfast. As you can see, what's gonna do is gonna be getting really thick up, you know, and that's what you can have early in the morning. This is also so good for you in the morning. You see what I'm talking about, Nicole? Yeah, 100%. Because right now, to be honest, anyone get an iPhone 12 or 11 now, they're gonna jump with it. They're gonna put on a nice case for the car. They don't want it to drop and break. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you have to look after yourself like that. And you know what I mean? So I always say, I know a lot of people, we have to be honest, you know, you can treat yourself like sometime, not every time. Fry yourself a little bit of chicken, use some oil. Alright? Pumpkins. Yeah, yo, big up yourself, my brother. Everything good. And also, but this is, try and use a lot of this one. You know what I mean? This is fried light oil. You know what I mean? It's very, all you need to do when you spray it, you don't get a lot from it, guys. To be honest, it's just a little bit you get from it, you know? See, just a little bit. You spray in it, fry what you're gonna fry, and you're pretty good to go. This is the best to use at home, and they've got them in all different, you know what I mean? And try and cut back on some of these oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, no matter what oil, coconut oil also. Try and cut back on it, and try and use light spray oil. And also, sea salt is much better for you, you know? Yeah, sea salt is much better for you. You can use sea salt and try and cut back on salt. Especially Caribbean people, we use a lot of salt. And that's why I'm preaching it so much. That's, we cut back on salt and try and use like sea salt, pink salt and all them salt. A little bit more expensive, but they're much better. See that? Sea salt, grounded, very good for you to have at home. Alright, now guys, yeah, as I say, and try and cut down on powder season. You know what I mean? Too much of the powder season is good, and try and blend up some natural homemade season. The homemade season is very good also. And try and go to the supermarket and get this one today. It's very cheap. It's not expensive or nothing. Get this one, and every time you make a smoothie, you put a teaspoon. If you make a vegetable, you put a teaspoon inside of it, and the vegetable and all these things are on your salad. Yeah, this one, never try and run out of lemon or lime at home. This one, try and have it at home. Ginger, yes, care, chisel seed, yeah, it's very good for you. Very healthy, good for you. And also, honey, organic honey is very good so also. And this one, apple cider vinegar, very good for you also. Alright guys, the pumpkin seed, we know that there's a lot of pumpkin seed are going on right now. Alright, so what's the difference between flexible seed and chisel seed? Well, I don't use the flexible seat, you know what I mean. I intend to use this one because if you do the research on this one, it tell you everything on it. This one have a lot of health benefits. You can do your own research on it right over here on the ingredients and instruction and everything on it. But I may only use this one, to be honest. So what you can do if you have a smartphone, you can also do your own research by Google all these things, guys, and see what's the difference. All right. So now this one, as you can see, still going on. There's just a seed inside of this one, so you still can drink it like this, and you know what I mean, keep yourself healthy. But what I want you to do when you wake up first thing in the morning is try your best and get a slice of a lemon, squeeze into some hot water and drink it. And you know what I mean, yeah, drink it. And or some green tea. Green tea is also very, very, very good. All right, big up on yourself. And this one again, as I explained earlier, sweetener, you know what I mean, and cut back on sugar. All right, so you know what I mean, I don't know what time in your country right now or where you are, wherever you are in this world, you know what I mean, just try your best and get yourself some lemon and ginger and make yourself a hot cup of tea. Yeah, where do you get mug from? Okay, these mug I get them, I don't know, in the supermarket, you know, I get these mug, but you know what I mean, yeah, see if you notice it, yeah, Ricardo, yeah. Yeah, but yeah, very, very good mug. Yeah, man. But as I say, you know what I mean, I got my own mug on my website, you know what I mean, Chef Ricardo. I got my own cup mug where now I'm at, you know what I mean. If you want to go over to my website and support Chef Ricardo, you can also do that one and support Chef Ricardo, alright? So yeah, it's amazing to know what they can do in the kitchen with simple ingredients. Alright, guys, and you know what I mean, I wanted to say thank you so much, guys, for, you know what I mean, who was just watching. I didn't get the chance to look at so many people who tune in, but big up on yourself, you know what I mean. I just want to share my love to you and say to you guys, honestly, yeah, I can say, yeah, big up on yourself and respect, and thank everyone who watching this morning, you know what I mean, just to share this beautiful ideas, because I was doing a lot of research and I recognize that there's a lot of people out there up to till today, you know what I mean, still does not eat a lot of vegetable. I eat a lot of salad, and you know what I mean, do a 5 minutes exercise at home, you know what I mean, 5 minutes exercise. I put up a video yesterday. Yeah, 5 minutes exercise at home, 5 minutes, and drink a cup of lemon tea on a empty stomach in the morning, guys. 5 minutes, you know, I'm telling you, 5 minutes, and do a little bit of exercise, because remember, a lot of people can't go to the gym, and a lot of people can't get to do certain things like before because of COVID-19. So we have to look after one another, encourage one another. So every Monday, log on with Chef Ricardo. I will be giving you, before I put up my meat-free Monday, yeah. Normally put up my meat-free Monday. Okay, I big up myself. Thank you so much for that. You know what I mean? It means a lot. Also, we can get more recipe and all these things. All right, it's just 100%. But what I want you to do next is try and have one day of the week to have meat-free Monday. It may not Monday, it can be Tuesday, it can be Wednesday, it can be Thursday. Just one day of the week. You can also, you know what I mean, yeah, just simple, you know what I mean, make some salad and some vegetable, or some couscous, or some cauliflower rice, you know what I mean. What you want me to make for meat-free Monday, you can also tell Chef Ricardo and I'll make something for you guys, you know what I mean. Just one day of the week. You have to look after yourself, you know what I mean. Make yourself nice and beautiful, just like how you look after your car, and just like how you look after your phone, and also just like how you look after your TV, all these things in your house. Because if your child or your baby lick your TV, you get upset. Oh, why you let the baby lick the TV and all them stuff. That's why you have to look after yourself like that. You know what I mean? Go to the gym, do a little bit of, you can't go to the gym, do a little bit of 5 minutes exercise at home, even in your kitchen when you're cooking. You play some music, and also dancing is exercise that same way. Alright, guys, so there's a lot of things can be done, you know what I mean, so we just have to take our time step by step and do certain things. And you know what I mean, as I say, thank you so much, Care, for that. You know what I mean, it mean a lot. Yeah. Charming mug. Yeah, thank you so much. But anyway, as I say, it's just more and more. It just can go on and on and on and on till you never know. You just can't stop, guys. Alright. Mix onion. Mix the onion yellow and red pepper. Okay. Alright. Now guys, listen now. I have to shoot off now. Thank you so much for watching this one. I will put up my meat free Monday. Shout out to every one of you guys this morning who watching this beautiful and an amazing meat free Monday from Chef Ricardo. I just want to say big up on yourself. I love you, and you know what I mean, as I said, we have a lot more coming. A lot more stuff will be coming from Chef Ricardo. Alright? Yeah, my life, big up yourself. Stay tuned in next week Monday. Please come on next week Monday. New ideas, new recipe, new things will be coming on. Yeah, and you know, yeah, and that's what we're going to do. Lisa D, big up yourself also. Alright, so guys, we're going to be doing, we're definitely going to be doing this. You know what I mean? We're going to COVID-19 now, so we're going to be sharing our love to everyone and make everyone can, you know what I mean, understand exactly what's going on. So if you wake up Monday morning, don't go in the kitchen and make a coffee or no tea. You're going to be making a lemon tea, or, you know what I mean, one time of the week, you know, just one day of the week you can, you know, you can just simple do this. You don't have to do it every day. If you want to do it every morning, that's even better. But some, you know what I mean, it's all about the strength and someone to encourage. You know what I mean? So if someone can do the encouragement, it's brilliant. Alright? So yeah, if you want to do it every morning, that's even better. One slice of lemon with some hot water. You don't have to put no honey in it. Some people may like a honey. Yeah? But yeah. But big up on yourself. We love you. More love. More love. More love to every one of you guys. Kea, thank you so much. And you know what I mean, I will always support you because you've been good to Chef Ricardo for a very long time. Thank you so much for your support also. And you know what I mean, next week Monday, 100% we're back on the live show with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen again. Alright, stay tuned.